Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making イカの塩辛, salt fermented squid, and kimchi for our kimchi fried with pork and rice, which we will be cooking the following week. You can easily make the kimchi and pork and rice with a store-bought kimchi, but this time we are making イカの塩辛, fermented squid, and kimchi from scratch. Let's get started. We are going to prepare the squid. Grab right by the eyes, hold the mantle, and just pull on one smooth motion. When you do that, all the body just stays connected. Now cut right above the eyes and remove the guts. Careful not to break the ink sac, which can be discarded, and set the guts aside. And here you will find the beak. Remove the black part and discard it. And remove the sucks to have better texture. Now remove the ears from either side of the squid body, and this will help removing the skin later. Now cut it open and clean the inside. Pull the bone out. It looks like a piece of plastic. Kinda pretty cool. And remove the skin with your fingers. Rinse the squid body and the tentacles, not the guts, and wipe it with paper towel. And sprinkle some salt on both sides. If you'd like the fermented squid to last longer, use more salt. As for the guts, you don't wash it and just cover with a lot of salt. And let the squid rest overnight in the fridge. This process helps get rid of the excess water from the squid. Now wipe off the water and squeeze out the guts. This adds so much flavor. This time we had no choice but to use yareika. We got only a little bit of the liver, but if you use sulumeika, you get a lot of liver. Sulumeika is the best kind of squid for this dish. Add yuzu and stir well. And use mirin or sweet sake to have the right kind of thickness. And here we are. Our イカの塩辛 is ready. Now we move on to make kimchi. Cut up the Chinese cabbage and Chinese chive. You don't need to wash the veggies at this point. Add about 6 tablespoons of salt and massage it really well. This process will bring out the excess water from the vegetables. When the salt spread evenly, let it sit in the fridge overnight. Just look at how much water came out from the vegetables. Now wash them very well, changing water several times, and remove the dirt and the salt. Squeeze the vegetables and drain very well. And now here are the seasonings for kimchi. Half an apple, 1 clove of garlic, a piece of ginger, 6 tablespoons of Korean red pepper, 2 tablespoons of grated sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Grate the apple and garlic and ginger. Add all the seasonings in a bowl and stir really well. Add in the minced イカの塩辛 or fermented squid and 8 grams of kombu and bonito dashi stock and stir well. massage with the vegetables, leave it in the fridge for about 1 week, and it brings out the rich yet mild taste of the kimchi. And now we have prepared the ika no shiokara, fermented squid, and some authentic kimchi. We will be using them to make豚キムチ丼or fried kimchi and pork on rice in the next video. I was really surprised to hear when the chef told me that he would make these dishes from zero. But when I tasted it, when it's all done, it was like, wow, I cannot believe I've never thought about making them from scratch. So I guarantee that it's worth the time and effort. I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a thumbs up if you did. We introduced delicious Japanese homemade dishes that are easy to make. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already.